कोकण रेल्वे तिकेट नासतना प्रवास करप्यांचेर खर कारवाय करपाक सुरवात केल्या। एप्रिल ते सप्टेंबर 2025 या काळात 5493 चेकिंग ड्रायव्हान सुमार 1,82,781 प्रवाशांकडेन तिकेट नाशिल्ल्यान वट्ट 12.81 कोटी रुपयाचो दंड वसूल केला। जाल्यार ऑक्टोबर या एकाच महिन्यात 920 चेकिंग ड्रायव्हान 42,645 प्रवाशांकडल्यान सुमार 2.40 कोटी रुपयाचो दंड वसूल केला, अशी माहिती कोकण रेल्वेचे प्रादेशिक व्यवस्थापक बबन गाटके हांणी दिली।
Konkan Railway has intensified ticket checking drives across its network, and drives are being conducted at station as well as in running trains. And this is basically to curb the ticketless travel and to ensure a safe, orderly, and comfortable travel experience to our esteemed passengers. From April 2025 to September 2025, total 5,493 drives were conducted, in which 1,82,700 cases of unauthorized illegal travel were detected, and as a result we have collected a amount of rupees 12.81 crore towards railway fare and penalty. In October 2025 itself, 920 special checking drives were conducted, during which more than 42,000 unauthorized irregular travelers were detected. And in October 2025 alone, amount of 2.4 crore has been recovered towards fare and penalty. So Konkan Railway urges its esteemed passengers to buy an authorized legal ticket. When they enter the platform, they should buy a platform ticket. If they are traveling, they should have a valid journey ticket, so that the travel is more comfortable and safe.